Okay, so it's like day 3 or 4 of this project. I don't feel like I've gotten very far, but we're making a little bit of progress. So let me walk you through what we've got so far. So I've got my kind of 2 rails here. Got this one extended that far. I've decided I'm going to move my back rack wall. I ended up chopping off the back half and realizing that that's going to be a better spot for it to go. So that way I can put my saws here. But as far as the shelf goes, I've got the first one up. Just going to want to show how I framed it, reinforced it across there, and have my beam there that supports it. So then we'll have a second one, basically just like that one, down below. One thing I goofed on, this was an inch and a half too short. I forgot to factor in the 3.5 inches for the 2x4. So when I went to put in, I tested one of those to try to see if I could fit it in. It wouldn't fit into this bottom area because it was too short. So anyways, I had to pull this top rail off, move it all up 1.5 inches, and now I think we'll be good. I've got about 16, with this bottom shelf, the clearance here will be 16 inches, and those are about 14.5 inches tall, so that should fit nicely. So definitely measure twice, cut once, as my dad used to say.